Hi guys, a lot of people have been asking me how do I stop my phone from using so much data. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can reduce your data usage on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is to head on to your setting. So what you have to do is to go to setting and look for general. As you can see, this is general right now. So click on general and look for background app refresh. Yeah, so I'm gonna click on background app refresh. So turn your background app refresh off. So all you have to do is to turn it off, and also after that you have done that, head on to your I'll go back and head on to your mobile data. As you can see, or cellular, click on your mobile data. So click on mobile data options. I'm gonna click on mobile data option. As you can see, make sure your low data mode is turned on, so it will reduce your data usage on your phone. And also all you have to do is also turn off the app that you are not using, turn off the data for the apps that you are not using. As you can see, mine, I've turned off most of my apps because they are using a lot of data. So anytime I want to use them, what you have to do is to turn it on like this, just turn it on like this and turn it off also. So I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you follow me and comment what video you want me to do a tutorial on. Peace.